everyone! In this video, we are going to look at how to add multiple filter fields into just one single slicer in Power BI. This creates a multi-level hierarchy, which is a great way to save space on your report canvas. Welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane. With our dedicated MadeEasy team, we're here to simplify software learning. Dive into our comprehensive video tutorials for a smooth learning experience. Take a look at this report. Right off the bat, you'll probably notice a huge problem. The slicers are hogging half of our valuable canvas space. Because they're taking up so much room, we're left with almost no space for the actual charts and data that people actually need to see. Instead of cluttering your dashboard with 3 or 4 separate filter boxes, what if you could combine them all into one single, clean, smart slicer? Let's start from scratch. First, make sure you've added a slicer to your canvas from the Visualizations pane. Next, go to your Data pane on the right-hand side. Find the first highest level field you want to filter by. In this example, we'll use District Manager, and drag it into the field. Right now, this slicer only contains a single field, in this case, our District Manager column. To add your second filter field into the same slicer, simply grab your next sublevel field. Here we'll use City, and drag it directly underneath the first field in the exact same box. As soon as you do this, you'll see small arrows appear next to the items in your slicer list. If you click on one of these arrows, the list expands down to show the subcategories neatly organized right inside the main category. You can check individual boxes at any level to filter your data. You can also repeat this step and drag a third field, like Store Number, into the box to create a 3-level filter system. If you need to change the order of your hierarchy, you don't need to delete the fields and start over. Simply go back to the field box under your Visualizations pane. Click and hold the field you want to move, for example, City, and drag it above or below the other fields in the list. Power BI will instantly update the slicer on your canvas to reflect the new sorting order. If you want to save even more space, select the slicer, go to the Format Visual tab, expand Slicer Settings, and change the style from Vertical List to Dropdown. Now all your nested filters are tucked away inside one clean, expandable row. And that's it. That is the simplest way to combine multiple filters into one single slicer in Power BI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more quick step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.